Looking for faucet replacement and installation in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how frustrating a leaky or outdated faucet can be. Whether you're upgrading your fixtures or fixing a plumbing issue, our expert team delivers fast, reliable, and affordable service to keep your home running smoothly. Our licensed plumbers specialize in seamless faucet installations, ensuring a perfect fit with no leaks or water pressure issues. We work with all faucet types, including kitchen, bathroom, and touchless models, so you get the best performance and style. Here in Sherwood Park, hard water buildup and aging plumbing can cause frequent faucet problems. That's why we provide custom solutions to ensure long-lasting results. For trusted, hassle-free faucet replacement and installation, choose Kingstree Plumbing. Call today or book online now to schedule your service.